What's up, guys? Welcome to Lehi. Come with me. I'm gonna show you a sneak peek. You probably are seeing this video. You live close here. Pay station area. Come look inside. You've probably been wondering what's going on inside. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Quinn,
What's up? We're gonna go show you the inside of our new interior express tunnel. So here we go.
sneak peek. You're gonna come in first. Here's the wash. You can actually see it because there's glass windows. So this will be the wash process. They're putting down the finishing touches right now. You're gonna come out the end. And then look at this, indoor vacuums. Cold, hot, doesn't matter. You're indoors. Pretty sweet, right? But if you don't want to do it yourself, you actually get to come over here, and guess what? We here at Tagg-N-Go, we'll do it for you. Come look at these sweet little belts over here. Quinn, come with me.
I'm walking fast, I promise.
2 belts for fast processing speed. So we will have crew members here doing your inside, quick little interior detail for you.
And this is where all the magic will happen.
We're gonna have a nice little waiting area while we're doing it, while your car's moving. You gotta always see your car. It doesn't get to go in a garage. I mean, you literally see your car the whole way. At the end, you're done. Drive out, on your way, 10 minutes. In and out, 10 minutes, full outside, inside. Boom.